Hey everyone, we're going to be running through how to manage a community from the perspective of the creator/owner of a community. And we'll go ahead and start with the invite button, which is located here in the top left beneath the name of the community. And when it comes to public communities, every member within a public community will have the ability to invite new members into that public community. But with private communities, only the admins will have the ability to invite new members into their private community. And once we click on this, it'll open this pop-up, and the button up top actually allows you to copy the invite link directly to your clipboard. And the search bar below actually allows you to search for users on a platform that you want to send the invite to directly. I'll also have the ability to enter an email and send the invite link via email. Now from here, we'll jump into what it looks like when they click on the invite link. And every community is going to have their own custom landing page. It'll have the logo or image of the community, the title of the community, as well as the description for the community. And they can simply join, sign up, and they'll land directly on the welcome channel when they join. So make sure that you have a nice warm welcome for them when they join. Now, when it comes to messages, everyone inside of a community will be able to add reactions to messages inside of public channels, as well as reply to messages. And you can simply do those by clicking on these buttons here. And they'll also have the ability to obviously upload file attachments to their messages. And they can also include links, and they can also mention other members inside of the community. And on top of that, they'll have the ability to edit their own messages as well as delete their own messages. But as admins, you also have the ability to delete any message inside of a community, as well as mention the channel, which is going to send a notification to everyone inside of the community. Now, when it comes to notifications within communities, there is a mute button where people can mute an entire community. But if they want to get more specific, they can actually jump into channels. And by clicking these three dots, they have the ability to manage their channel notifications by clicking here, which allows them to receive notifications for all new messages, just mentions, or no notifications for that channel at all. And from there, we'll jump into creating channels. Now, only the admins are going to be able to create channels by clicking on the plus button here. And we'll go ahead and show the different channel types. So there's 3 different channel types currently. Public channel type is basically everyone can post and view, just a general channel. And then a private channel is where only people you invite can post and view. And then an announcements channel is where only admins can post, but everyone can view. Now, when it comes to private channels, they are actually hidden on the channels list from members who are not in that private channel. And when it comes to inviting members into the private channel, you can simply click on the invite button up in the top right and select the plus and search for users that you want to add. And you can do the same thing, whether it's search for members already on the platform, or you can enter an email and invite members directly that way. And as an admin, you'll also have the ability to actually rename the channel or remove the channel. And obviously that opens up the name, and you can simply change the name directly from there. And removing the channel obviously removes it completely, as well as all of the messages inside of that channel. The other thing we're going to get to is the post. So admins have the ability to create posts from within their community, and they also have the ability to share that post onto the public feed. So as you can see here, you have the toggle button down below that allows you to share and post that feed publicly onto the feed, or just within the community. And everyone's going to be able to view the posts, and that is what it looks like. Obviously, they can upvote, comment, and support and share the posts directly from here. Now, the most important thing that we're probably going to cover is the edit community function. So by clicking on the drop-down arrow up in the top left, we'll be able to edit our community, which will open up the edit community page. And from here, you'll be able to update the logo or image for your community or add one, edit the name of your community, as well as edit the description for your community. And of course, you can change the visibility from public to private, and add topics for your community. Now, only the owner or the creator of the community is going to be able to edit the community. So other admins will not have access to that, but if you do want to add other admins to your community, you can simply click on the 3 dots and promote any member inside of your community to an admin. Now, the last thing that we're going to cover is the fact that communities actually live within your inbox, and you can reorganize them by simply holding and dragging them throughout your inbox. Now, within the Communities tab, we'll actually be able to search and filter for any public communities on the platform. And on the home feed, public communities are also suggested based on their interest and topics. I hope all of this helps. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.